All right, here is another thermal energy lablet. This one is the liquid crystal squares. And so there's several sets of directions in this one, so we'll just go through those pretty quickly. The first thing you need to find is your little Ziploc bag of liquid crystal squares. Go ahead and open that up and pull out their squares. There are 3. And they're all different. And you're like, well, I can tell one of them's different. But the way to know is to turn them over and read the back, because they all tell you the temperature ranges that they are going to change temperature between. And in the directions, a couple places, it tells you a specific temperature range of square to grab. So now you're going to touch the various LC squares to your hand or your forehead or your ear or your nose. And some of them you're going to be able to see. My hands are cold. All right, forehead. There we go. There's a nice forehead print. But you can try out and see and notice what happens, and then you'll talk about how heat was transferred. Then you're going to breathe on it, or if you would like, you can go to an outlet and plug in your handy dandy hair dryer, which will provide warm air because it's going to convert electrical energy into thermal and mechanical energy. I was just telling you that while I unwrapped the cord. So you can use this, hang on to them or they'll try to wander off. And you can see that they're going to start to change temperature as that warm air is using its thermal energy transfer to get to these. So once you've done that, you'll go ahead and answer those questions. And then you can, once it's warm like this, you can use an ice cube and you can draw on them and change the color. And notice that we can use both warm and cool things to change the temperature of the liquid crystal squares. Smile! When you've done that one, you should use your rag and dry them off so that they don't get all warped. And then the next one you're going to try is using the 25 to 30 square. So I have to check the back. Nope. Nope. Yep. Okay, so I found the 25 to 30, and it says to set it on my notebook. That's kind of important. And then I'm going to shine a flashlight on it to be able to see what will happen. And sure enough, even though I'm not touching this, it's changing color. So you can go ahead and try that too. When you're done, you're going to make sure these are dry, collect them up, stick them back in your Ziploc. Put your rag back in the Ziploc, wind up your hair dryer nicely and put it back in the bucket. And then you're gonna choose and draw your picture and make sure you have your colors and labels to show your understanding. Good luck.